How to activate your Uber deactivated account. Let's get started. Launch your Uber app. In case you haven't passed 30 days of deactivating your account, you can easily reactivate it. All you have to do is provide your credentials. So go ahead and type in your phone number or continue using Apple ID, Google, email. With that, your account will be reactivated. In case you have crossed 30 days, what you have to do is head over to your preferred browser. Now type in Uber customer support. Navigate to the website help.uber.com. Once you're in this page, click on the option of riders. Now click on this option account. Select the option can't sign in or request a trip. Click on the option I can't sign in to my account. Now scrolling down, here you're going to find this form. You have to fill this. Type in your first and last name. Type in your email address that is currently linked with your account. Type in your phone number. Likewise, you can also take the screenshot of your profile page. Then type in the 6-digit of your credit or debit card on the file. And here you have to briefly explain that you have deactivated your account and it has already crossed 30 days, but you want to reactivate it. Then provide your email address. Now, check in for the option I'm not a robot and submit this. Once you submit this request, Uber support team will get back to you. They might consider your request and your account might be reactivated. So this way you can reactivate your Uber deactivated account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.